Hello friends, do you ever wonder why is your furnace keep getting off after running few minutes? Or do you ever think why is from the vent warmer is not coming after running few minutes? For that there could be a multiple reason in your furnace, but the most common reason is your flame sensor. So basically flame sensor is sensing device which is sensing the burner flame, and if it feels anything going wrong in a furnace, it will send the signal to the control board of the furnace, which
and
is shut
the
off the
valve
power. Okay,
continuity.
so today we will walk you through how you can clean the furnace flame sensor. First foremost is you have to shut off the main switch of your furnace so you can safely work. Then you have to open these nuts here. This is quarter-inch nut most of the time, but I'm working on the Linux furnace. This one has a black pin. I'm just using my hand. This furnace door was bit stuck, so I just use a channel lock to just open it. But you can use a screwdriver or anything to just pull it out. Okay. So the front compartment is looks like this something. Okay. You don't need to open this lower compartment door. Okay, the main thing is the sensor is here. Okay, I will show you. This is called the flame sensor. Okay, you need a quarter-inch nut driver. Okay, that's it for now. Now you can use a sandpaper or something to just clean the flame sensor here. Okay, this is the one which is sensing the flame. Don't go very hard, okay, because this is very soft. Otherwise you will break it. There will be so many design. This one is the angle one, okay. If your house maybe you have a straight one, long one, so there is multiple design, but the applications are same for all flame sensor. Okay, now looks pretty much clean now. Okay, as you can see, now we will just put it back and we'll see. Okay, now let's start the furnace.